So yeah, this is day 3. I'm whispering because it's a Japanese room and it's early in the morning. So, but yeah, this is my room in Sakurai on Miyajima. I have little space, but I just wanted to record arriving at Matsuyama. That was the boat we got here on, a high-speed jet. Took like 70 minutes, which is pretty dope, pretty quick. Yeah, this place looks beautiful, man. Look at it, just like every other place I've been to. Oh yeah, here we are in Matsuyama. Now I'm trying to head to the castle, but man, all these streets are they're so clean, man. A lot of restaurants and stuff. I'm not hungry, so yeah, just trying to keep walking until we find the castle. So I finally made it up here. I think this is the entrance. I have to make my way up these 100 million stairs. Hopefully my legs don't fall off on this one. Alright. Just guess what? Move over here. Five. This is ridiculous. Alright, reach at the top. That's where we went. This is where we are. Here we go. We walked up 100 stairways. Oh, so this was pretty nice. I wasn't expecting to go up a chairlift to the where the castle is. I was actually expecting to go on one of those normal gondola ones, but yeah, this was really nice. I was a little worried that it might break, but no, it's pretty strong. And yeah. Alright, we made it. The ropeway was unreal. I'll record it properly when I get back down. The chairlift, I was meant to go on the cable car, but the chairlift, I'll take it. It was much more fun. But yeah, now I think we have to climb the rest to the freaking castle. Oh, I can't wait. It's gonna be dope. Alright, see you there. We finally made it. But other than the freaking massive castle, look at the city. Oh man, this place is just amazing. Matsuyama for you. From right behind me. Guess what? It's a freaking castle. It's Matsuyama Castle. I don't think you understand how big these castles are. Look at this. That was the entrance, right? And look, it's right above me. And then now I gotta climb up more. Alright. Sheesh. Yo, this is insane. I don't know what this is gonna be random, but this is what it looks like to look through the castle walls. This is freaking sick. So if they're at war, they're gonna be looking for here to see the enemy. That's so cool. And you have freaking this behind me, and then you have, look at it. It's amazing. Oh, you know how I said you saw me spinning around like Cinderella? Why not? I'm inside. That's where I was. I'm inside the castle now. Oh, that's so cool. Wait, can we walk across that? Oh man, I'm spending my whole day here. Stone drop, right? This is where these ruthless just drop the stones on their heads. Soon it's gonna be the phone drop. Oh no, is that glass? It's glass. That's crazy. Another mad view. Oh my god, this is freaking cool. Oh yeah, this is the bow and arrows. What the? Sheesh. Keep out. Sheesh. This is Sugoi. Beautiful country. Man. Alright, and here's the other side. Oh my gosh. Amazing. I can't believe I'm here. Oh, and here's the last little before I go. Yep, before we head back. Over here, you'll know this pathway here. And yeah, I think that's it for the Matsuyama footage. Alright, I'm heading to Bonsuiso. I just saw this cool ass freaking building. It's pretty dope. Yeah. Alright, that's what we want to look for. We're looking for that. But if you ever come here, it's next to a cool ass building. Yes, so sick. This is called Bonsuiso. That mansion up there. I wonder if I can get a better shot. And here it is. I'm not gonna go inside for this one just because we're a little bit tight on time. But yeah, this is my day in Matsuyama. I really enjoyed my time here. I definitely would love to come back here if I come back to Japan. But yeah, right after the mansion, I ended up having some gyudon at a food chain here called Tsukiya, and it was really good and really cheap too. So, but yeah, this final place you're gonna see in the vlog is the main reason why I came out to Matsuyama, which is the onsen, Dogo Onsen, which is apparently the oldest onsen in Japan. So yeah, sadly I chickened out on going in this night, but I ended up going in the morning. So, but yeah, after that, headed back to my hotel and called it a night. The hotel was literally right next to this onsen. It's literally called Dogo Patio Hotel. So yeah, it's cheap. It's right next to the onsen. It's right next to a shopping street. Oh man, there were so many places I wish I recorded, but once again, immersed in it, enjoyed my time. So yeah, enjoy. And here's it all in its glory. Such a cool place. I know. What is this cool place here? hotel's just right next to it. How convenient, right? Yeah. I wonder if it's gonna get lit up more. Well, that looks so cool. Man, look at this place. It looks so cool, man. Ah, this is like a shopping mall next to it. Yeah, it's under construction, but yeah, here it is. Dogo. The other side looks nice though. I think you gotta reserve like a booking for it. Oh my gosh, you can actually pick it up. It's like a Thomas the Tank Engine's cousin. No, I think it's a classic. There's a Starbucks. I want to hit it, but not yet. There. And again, it's the entrance to their arcade arcade complex. Freaking awesome. But yeah, I'm just finishing up the night here.